Catalysts. Cats that lists. Catalysts. Sports teachers are like catalysts. Catalysts is how to say catalysts. Catalysts. Cool. Catalysts are chemicals that make chemical reactions go faster. Catalysts. Yeah, you got a chemical reaction. You want to go slow? You want to go fast? Use a catalyst to make it go faster. Chemical. Catalysts are not used up in the reaction. Yeah. So it's not part of the reaction. It just speeds up the reaction. So you can use it for 1,000,000 times with reactions for 1,000,000 years, and it won't get used up. That's what catalysts are like. The sports teacher makes the children run faster, even though the sports teacher does not get tired. So he's like a catalyst, see? He makes things go faster without actually getting tired himself. Catalysts make reactions go faster even though they are not used up in the reaction. Yeah, they tend to be used for like, I don't know, 30 years or so you can use a catalyst for. Some catalysts get slowly poisoned, but that's a different thing. It's so they can only be used for 5 years for billions of reactions. The sports teacher can speed up 100 races in one sports day and never gets tired. Okay. Catalysts can speed up reactions for hundreds of years and never get used up. Oh, can you see that right? Maybe that's better. Different sports teachers work at different schools. Different catalysts work for different chemical reactions. So they're really cool. Woo! Oh, like that? Is that better? Salt water is the catalyst for rusting. Iron plus oxygen goes to iron oxide rust. Cars are 90% iron. Cars rust. Yeah, my dad had a car rust problem because they live near the sea where there's, lots of salt. Can you see that now? Iron reacts very slowly unless the salt water catalyst is present. Cars parked near beaches get hit by the spray from the sea, so their iron rusts faster. Catalysts help the chemicals react by lining them up to the right orientation. Yeah, so a catalyst grabs the chemicals and lines them up with one another. Orientation. Every modern car has a platinum catalyst converter. Oh yeah, in their exhaust pipe. Making sure that the fumes coming out of the exhaust pipe are not so nasty. Catalytic converters are in the exhaust pipe. To speed up the reaction between the poisonous carbon monoxide and the acid rain pollution nitrous oxides. Carbon monoxide and nitrous oxides produce carbon dioxide and nitrogen much faster when you've got a catalyst. Carbon monoxide. Platinum is written PT. It's very expensive, platinum, used for jewellery, but you have to have it. It's the only good catalyst for this reaction. The reaction between carbon monoxide gas and nitrous oxide gas makes the safer carbon dioxide and nitrogen. It is written CO, carbon monoxide, plus NO, that's nitrogen oxide, with the platinum becomes CO2 plus N2. 2 carbon dioxides and a nitrogen molecule. Fertilizer is put on fields to make food grow. Yeah, wheat fields need fertilizer, otherwise you just don't get very much wheat for your pizza base and for your bread and pasta. Fertilizer is made from ammonia. Yes, ammonia is also used for window cleaner. Ammonia is also needed to make bullets and window cleaner. Ammonia. Iron is the catalyst used to make ammonia from hydrogen and nitrogen. Yeah, the catalyst doesn't have to be expensive like the platinum. It can be something just cheap like iron, which is much better. Iron makes the reaction between hydrogen and nitrogen go faster. The catalyst is iron. Oh, okay. N2 plus 3H2. That should be a small 2 really. Gives 2NH3. Catalysts don't get used up in the reaction, so iron in the factory doesn't need replacing. Cool. Catalysts speed up the rate of reaction. Catalysts do not get used up in the chemical reaction. Different catalysts work for different chemical reactions. Go!